All right, how is everybody doing today? Back again, guys and gals. And what I have for everyone today is another camera samples test. This one is we're doing the stabilization test for my original video setup. So this is the RetiCAM camera mount, and we're using the Mini D mini tripod. So we're in the usual spot. We're just gonna do some pans. We're gonna do some focus tests, and then we're gonna wrap it up. So I figured since I just wrapped up the Manfrotto coverage, it's only right to show you guys what my original setup was. So here we go. The Manfrotto and the Lamco. The Manfrotto ran me about $11, and then the Lamco ran me about $8. So about $19 altogether. My original setup, the Mini D, was about $8, and then the RetiCAM camera mount here was about $22. I got it on sale, and I got two. So I got two of these RetiCAM camera mounts for $24. So 6 and 4 is 30 compared to what was it? 8 and 11 is 19. So the old setup cost me a little bit more at $30, whereas the new setup ran me about $19. Okay, so let me just finish up these pans, then we're gonna pick a few objects to focus on, then we're gonna wrap this video up. And this one in particular, I'm using the Google Camera APK on the Essential Phone PH1, and this video is being recorded at 1080p at, I do not remember the resolution. But I figured since my review period for the Essential Phone is done, we're going to go ahead and mix it up. So I've loaded up the Open Camera APK. I loaded up the Google Camera APK. And then I have the stock APK camera on there as well. So in the coming videos, I'll be sure to point out which ones I'm using. And you guys let me know if you could see the differences. And in particular, with the Google Camera APK, it has HDR Plus, which is supposed to be really good for low light. So please let me know what you think of the video overall, and let me know what you think of the audio as well, because there is no external mic hooked up. So now that we've wrapped up the pans, just gonna focus on this tree here. And what I like about the Google Camera APK as well is that we have tap to focus. So now I can really tell once the camera is focused, as opposed to the stock app. I didn't know whether it was focused or not because everything in the stock app was autofocus. So we're just gonna pan down to the ground, back up to the tree, back down to the ground, back up to the tree. One more time. And up. All right, now we're gonna go from this tree over here to that tree right there. That tree right there. This tree over here. One more time. Right there to right here. Okay? Now let me just lock on this wall right here. Then we're gonna pan up to the sky at a decent pace. Wow, that got really blown out there. Let me go back. All right. Okay. One more time. All right. And last one. Okay. Now lastly, I'm going to do a big pan from the ground to the sky. So you can see we got focus on the ground here. That looks really, really good. Then we're going to just pan in a smooth motion up to the sky. Let me make sure it's centered, because right now it's in the corner. Lock that in the center. There we go. And 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that really washes out because I had the focus lock, so I really have to refocus it to get that to even out. And then it gets super dark. Okay, I see what it's doing. It's trying to match the lock from my original point here. Alright. So really, if I wanted to change, I gotta tap here. That's the sky. And then this is the ground. Yeah. Alright, so let me tap back to the sky. And then back to the ground. Okay. Alright, so that pretty much does it for this camera test. Again, this is another camera test using the Essential Phone PH1. This is using my original shooting setup with the Mini D mini tripod and the RetiCAM universal smartphone camera mount. And again, we're using the Essential Phone and we're recording at 1080p at I don't know the frames per second. And yeah, you guys please let me know what the video looks like. Let me know how the audio sounds. And I will catch you guys and gals in the next one. Peace.